Pakistani food, and we came here. Almost we come every month. So it's so delicious food, and we like it. Even honey like it very much. So let's go inside.
Okay. Fair.
So cute.
So easy, fair.
So just show her to move by this end.
Yeah, blueberries on fan place, then purchase shoot button. And this is the little chicken, a duck, and then the Caesar is front. Wow, we do so quickly. Okay, bye bye. Honey,
Yeah.
where are we now?
On beautiful Bear Lake, and we are walking on grass.
Wow, that's beautiful. It sounds very beautiful.
Yes, now it's nearly 6:30 p.m. in the evening, but it looks like night.
You are absolutely right.
And maybe people can hear some
Wow.
noise.
Front, one people is walking. Okay, let me see the left side. Lake,
Wow.
trees.
Mountains.
Yeah, very beautiful.
In China, in summer, there are some insects this time in tree.
Make too much noise.
But
Everyone
when
can
people
hear.
pass, it just becomes quiet.
Can never insect bugs. Okay. I'll introduce.
Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. Today we came to the beautiful lake, or you can see it's raining here. So it's cloudy and so beautiful view. It looks like full of nature and very fresh wind, and come here feel too fresh. Honey.
So beautiful.
With wife.
The paradise is life.
And birds are flying, so it totally look artificial. I can't believe that I'm in real.
Yes. The mountains in the front far away is not clear, covering many clouds. This is one.
So beautiful.
Okay.